1. Bernette B79 Sewing. The B79 is our top-of-line model. It offers everything a creator needs. This 2-in-1 machine combines all the sewing functions of the B77 with the embroidery perks of the B70 Deco. The B79 makes creating a unique and special handmade dress with delicate embroidered flower embellishments easy. Newbies, never fear, this machine is so simple to use, you'll become the maker you've always wanted to be in no time. This attractively priced sewing and embroidery, computerized machine is perfect for everyone. It's incredibly easy to use, offers a wide range of functions and lets you be your most creative. 2. Genome Memory Craft Horizon 15000. The incredible Memory Craft 15000 is Genome's new flagship model. It incorporates all the best features for sewing, embroidery, quilting and craftwork and has the largest work area of any equivalent model available. And it is the first machine of its kind to have Wi-Fi, the first to work with an iPad and the first to have its own apps. Just one more thing, it has the largest and fastest touch screen on the market. With a 440mm 17.3 bed and 280mm 11 inches right of the needle, this machine has more space than any other Genome. The new built-in embroidery system is the most stable we've ever developed, ensuring embroidery perfection. It is packed full of powerful yet easy-to-use features such as AccuFeed Flex, Horizon Link, Stitch Composer and Genome's exclusive AccuFill quilting system. It can stitch at up to 1000 S/p.m. in 9mm wide stitches and with the option of 91 needle positions, incredible speed and precision in one machine. And so much more than you could imagine. 3. Brother Stellaire Anova XJ1 Sewing. Packed with the latest luxury features you've yearned for as an experienced sewing and embroidery enthusiast, yet so easy to learn with its library of 24 built-in instructional videos. Experience the freedom and comfort of sewing on 56 square inches of included workspace, giving you the power to handle virtually any project with ease. With stitch selection choices, decorative fill options, and stitch settings, the possibilities are endless for creating personalized projects. Use the included My Design Snap mobile app for precise positioning of designs and capture pictures of line art or illustrations and convert into embroidery data. With embroidery speeds up to 1,500 stitches per minute, 727 built-in designs including over 100 Disney designs and 11 inches needle to arm to create, it's time to bring Stellaire home. 4. Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2 Sewing. The Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2 comes packed with multiple sweet features to make even the most advanced embroidery designs deceptively easy, including free access to the My Sonnet library of over 4,000 designs, built-in 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen, free cloud-based storage, wireless capability for swift updates, transfers, and more. Joy OS Advisor feature, giving you access to more on-screen tutorials than any other machine on today's market. Integrated dual-feed technology that feeds from both top and bottom for projects using heavy fabric and multiple layers. Ribbon embroidery attachment. Tallest and widest embroidery area of any sewing machine on the market today. Adjustable laser sewing guidance. 9mm stitches. Multi-function foot control. Fully automatic needle threading. High needle piercing force. Low vibration. The most built-in specialty techniques available. 5. Brother Embroidery Machine PE550D. This embroidery machine features a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery field with 125 built-in decorative designs including 45 Disney designs. Also built in are 9 fonts, 6 English and 3 Japanese for monogramming and personalization. Embellish your creations with Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends embroidery. The PE550D features a large, easy-to-view color touchscreen so that you can see your designs and see them in alternate colors if you wish before stitching it out. Adjust the built-in embroidery lettering fonts in multiple ways, align text at an angle or in curves, place text on multiple lines, increase and decrease the spacing between letters, and more.